Hello folks, and welcome to Saving Miller. Today I'm going to fix or improve my workstation. It's not going to be fixed because it could be much better. So I do spend a lot of time working from home, and so I spend a lot of time at this desk, and there's a couple of things I don't like about it. First of all, I have two computers. So I've got my desktop PC, I've got a laptop that's buried under there, and I need to use both of them. So I need two keyboards. So right now I have one there and one there. I need one for each computer. And there's just a lot of clutter and stuff. I need this stuff. I need space. I've got speakers there that are behind the screens, and they're kind of in a precarious situation. So what I'm going to do is make a little shelf that's 3 inches higher. That will give me some space underneath, give me space up above, help manage the cord clutter a little bit, and just improve the whole situation, make it a little bit more ergonomic, and make so that I can stand, spending quite a bit of time here. So let's head to the shop. Okay, I already have this piece of plywood on the router, so I'm just going to go ahead and use this. It's a pretty cheap piece, and the nice side is actually down, so I've got to account for that. But here it is. It'll be easy to use. It's already clamped down, ready to go. So I'm going to use this, and then I'll probably sand the plywood down and maybe paint it or something like that in the future. So now the first thing I've got to do is go and draw it. Okay, so I've got my cut file here. This is going to be the top. These are the two sides. And I'm going to put a little shelf on there to set my speakers on. So this is pretty simple. I've got all the tool paths created and everything. So I am ready to cut, so I've got to get this going, and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, here we go. Really quick little shelf here. The monitor's going to sit on here. Got a spot for the speakers over here. Extra room here, extra room up here. Holes here to manage the cables. Let's go install it and see how it looks. Okay, here is the new and improved workstation. So I'm pretty pleased with this. Basically, I just elevated my monitors 3 inches, or about 3.5 inches, and that actually allowed me to move them down a little bit. So previously they were maxed out in the up position, so I had very little flexibility. This also allows me to open my laptop screen so that I have enough room here to actually open it, and then I'll have a third screen. And now my speakers won't fall off the edge of the little table. So this is just a quick fix for the little table that I'm using as a desk. I actually need to build a proper desk. But this allows me to quickly make it just a little bit better, make it a little more usable. And now I can, stow the cables and cords and miscellaneous stuff in the back there. And I'll have room to put a keyboard up there if it's out of use. Place for the extra mouse and things like that. So there's a quick little CNC project. Thanks for watching. Saving Miller out.